Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be doing this bright eye with a pop of blue. I'm absolutely obsessed on how this makeup look turned out. Also, I quickly wanted to mention that I did partner up with Rimmel London to create this look and to show you guys this beautiful eye using the Magnif'Eyes Colour Edition Palette. You guys are going to see how I use this palette and how I get this look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first off, let's start to prep the skin. Lately I've been really loving the Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable Primer, but this is it right here, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. So I'm going to put some on my T-zone. Alright, so now let's do our foundation. I'm going to be mixing these two foundations right here. This is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation. And I love taking Golden Honey and Noisette and just mixing these two. I get the perfect match. And I really love this foundation because it's not super, cakey. I feel like a lot of drugstore that I have used in the past get really cakey throughout the day, but this one doesn't at all. I feel like I already mentioned it to you guys, and I'm just super happy with the end results. So for today's eye look, I was thinking of doing something like very subtle, but then I'm going to add like a pop of blue. I love the Rimmel Magnif'Eyes eyeshadow. It's so pretty, and there's just a bunch of colors that I'm dying to play with in that palette, so I'm very excited. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. For today's concealer, I'm gonna be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Lightweight Concealer, and I get the shade 300 Medium. So now I'm going to contour with my Rimmel London Insta Duo Contour Stick, and I get the shade Dark. And now I'm just going to blend it out with this stippling brush. And now I'm just gonna blend my nose contour. And now I'm going to set everything with my Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. And this is in the shade Translucent. Alright, so with a different sponge, all I'm going to do is take some. And then what I like doing is just melting the powder into my skin. Alright, so now that we have all our face set, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up a little. My face is looking a little white right now. So for today's bronzer, you guys know I love my Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sun Bronze. I'm gonna be taking this fluffy brush Alright, so what I like doing is taking the powder and kind of like bake on the sides of my nose and also on the bridge of my nose just to make it, just to make my nose look a little bit more slimmer. And now I'm going to be taking this Rimmel Kate palette and I'm going to be taking this shade right here for blush. And then with the Stay Matte powder, all I'm going to do is bake right underneath my cheekbones just to clean my contour up a little bit more. I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit, and meanwhile I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have my brows on, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this powder off. Alright guys, so now for the fun part, which I am just so excited because I know that I'm gonna like love how this look is gonna turn out. So for today's look, I'm gonna be using the Rimmel London Magnif'Eyes Colour Edition Palette. It's this one right here. You guys, don't mind my nails. I know I need to go get them done, but look how beautiful this palette is. I love this palette because it's super colorful. You can do so many looks with this palette. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be using like the blues and maybe, yeah, the blues and the coppers right here. I know that I want to add the blues somewhere, so I'm gonna see right now. All right, so first I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. It's very, very blue. Now, apply this all over my eye. And we're actually going to keep the center kind of clear because I do want to add a different shade there. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this color right here in the palette. I'm going to be applying this on the center. Then I'm going to take a smudger brush and kind of like make sure we don't have any harsh lines right here. Alright guys, so we're almost finished. So I've been using the Rimmel London Lash Accelerator Serum with this one right here, and I've seen such a huge difference to my lashes. I've been using this lash serum for the past month and I've seen such a huge difference. My lashes look so much fuller and so much stronger. So right after that, I go ahead and use my Lash Accelerator mascara. Alright guys, so now that we're finished with the lashes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight. And I'm going to be taking the Kate palette using this like champagne shade. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I never thought I would say this, but just the tiniest bit because we already have such a dramatic eye with the blue. You want to keep it very, very natural on the cheeks. Alright, so we're almost finished with the look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Rose and Shine. I'm gonna apply a little bit of it on the center, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger because it's such a pretty color. So on July 1st, Rimmel will be launching 14 new different shades. There's going to be a lot of colorful shades like purples and nudes. So I'm very excited. So yeah, mark your calendars because on July 1st, they will be launching 14 different new shades of the Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be adding a little bit of this gloss. Alright guys, so this is the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this bright eye with a pop of blue, and I will link all the products that I used on my description box down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.